Welcome to OnlyFans Racing. Here's my 1987 Buick Grand National. It's got 26,000 original miles on it. It doesn't have a lot of options. Kind of one of those cars that pretty much came stripped, other than the T-top option. The guy did order the T-top option. Other than that, doesn't really have any other options. But it's kind of unique and rare to find a car without a lot of options, because pretty much a lot of them came loaded up. So this guy didn't want power windows, power locks, power seat, nothing, which is pretty cool. I guess he didn't want all that extra added weight. I did put the Willwoods on the front. I did drop it about 2 inches in the front with some different springs. I think that those were Bilstein. And I put rear discs in the back. That was just a kit. It's not a Willwood disc in the back, but it is a rear disc, which definitely stops a lot better than the drums, and it looks a lot better, especially when you got those open wheels. Those big ugly drums in the back, it just killed me. I couldn't deal with it, so I changed it to disc. It's got the GN1 exhaust. It's got the GN1 3-inch downpipe. It's still got the stock turbo on it. I just ordered a GN1 67 ball bearing Procom turbo. That's coming next week. Still got the original paint on it. Still looks pretty damn good yet. It's got the original orange peel, which they were notorious for, the worst paint jobs of the 80s right here. But if you take care of them, they look pretty good. I just waxed it with a ceramic wax. Definitely looks pretty good. This car came out of Pennsylvania. I think the front nose piece was repainted, but other than that, the rest of the car, I think it's all original.